In mathematics, we are going to discuss about set language. What is set? Set is a well-defined collection of objects. What is the meaning of well-defined? When you see the collection, if you know all the elements, all the objects in the collection, if you know all the objects in the collection, that particular collection is a well-defined collection. That collection is a set. So, well-known collection of objects. Say an example: the collection of all books in a district center library, the collection of all colors in a rainbow, the collection of prime numbers. You may add your own examples. The collection of pencils, the collection of pens. Likewise, you may add your own examples. See the picture. In the first picture, the collection of fruit. The second picture, the collection of home goods. Next, representation of a set. How can we represent a set? A set can be represented in any one of the following three ways or forms. First one, descriptive form. Second, set builder form or rule form. Third, roster form or tabular form. First one, descriptive form. In descriptive form, a set is described in words. Set is described in words. For an example, the set of all vowels in English alphabets. We must write in words the set of all vowels in English alphabets. Second one, the set of whole numbers. Next, set builder form or rule form. In set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. What is the meaning of rule here? Note, the symbol colon or slash stands for such that. So when you see the colon or slash, you must say such that. For an example, A equal to X such that X is a vowel in English alphabets. We should not say colon. X such that X is a vowel in English alphabets. Second one, X such that X is a whole number. Next, roster form or tabular form. A set can be described by listing all the elements of the set. For an example, A equal to AEIOU. The same example we have seen in descriptive form, set builder form, here in roster form. How did we see in descriptive form? How did we see in descriptive form? The set of all vowels in English alphabets. What about in set builder form? X such that X is a vowel in English alphabets. Here in roster form, AEIOU. Next one, B equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It's a whole number. So how can we say in descriptive form the set of all whole numbers? What about in set builder form? X such that X is a whole number. Here in roster form, B equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here this bracket is called a set bracket. Write the following set of letters in roster form. Write the set of letters of the following words in roster form. First one, assessment. Second one, principal. In roster form, we should not write any kind of repetitions. Let us see the solution. See the assessment. A only one time, and S 4 times, and E twice, and M and T, they are only one time. So we must write in only one time. So A, S, E, M, N, T. Here 4 times S comes. You don't want to write 4 times, just write in only one time. The same way E 2 times come, so write in only one time. And second one, principal. 2 times P come and 2 times I come, so write in only one time. So P R I N C I we have written already, so don't want to write. P we have written already, so don't want to write. A L. Are you clear now? In roster form you should not write any kind of repetitions. Are you clear now? Let us see next. Represent the following sets in roster form. The set of all even natural numbers less than 20. Next one, D equal to X such that X belongs to Z. Z means integers. X belongs to Z minus 5 less than X less than or equal to 2. First one, A equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. Natural numbers begin with 1. Even natural numbers means 2, 4, 6 and so on. Here less than 20 means below 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Are you clear now? Good. See the next. D equal to X such that X belongs to Z minus 5 less than X less than or equal to 2. Here minus 5 less than given, simply less than. So you should not take minus 5. But here less than or equal to, so you must take 2. Are you clear now? Here not equal to, here equal to. So let's see the answer. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Are you clear now? Next, represent the following sets in descriptive form. P equal to January, June, July. English months beginning with J. Here S equal to X such that X is a consonant in English alphabets. Let us see the solution. P is the set of English months beginning with J. Set of English months beginning with J. S equal to X such that X is a consonant in English alphabets. Yes, this is a set of all English consonant. Are you clear now? Today we have seen descriptive form, next set builder form, and third roster form and its examples. Okay children, bye.